going on, guys? Welcome back. So in today's episode we're going to be removing the rear subframe. We're going to leave the diff, the drive shafts, everything connected to it, so we're going to take it out in one to make it a lot easier for myself. We're going to be disconnecting it from the prop shaft, so I will talk about how to remove it all. You are going to have to jack up the front of the car as well. Leave the car in neutral so we can just spin the prop shaft so we can get to all the bolts. So yeah, we'll be undoing that, and then we can drop it in one. It is very heavy. I didn't quite realize how heavy it was. Like I haven't got the facilities to lift it up like you do in a garage, so I just got my trolley jack, which is, it worked. It's a bit awkward, but we got it done. Easier with two of you, yeah. I do say that, but we're on our own working on the car. Right, we're gonna go under the car now, start dismantling everything, taking it off. So I'm quite looking forward to it. If there's anything I can improve on, guys, with camera angles or anything like that, please let me know. I am trying to get you the best possible angles I can, but I haven't quite got enough room on the floor to show you everything until I can buy a lift. So I am in the market for one, so I'm hoping that when I got a lift I can get you better angles, show you everything a bit better. So yeah, we're gonna go into the car now and start taking the bits and pieces off, ready to drop it. Right. When you're doing the drive shaft, guys, if you leave the car in neutral, you can spin the drive shaft freely to get to all the other bolts. So leave it in neutral, handbrake off. Also you can even jack the front of the car up as well, but yeah, it's easier to get to each bolt then. mainly for I put it back together.
Oh, remember the things though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't you remember like so many bolts go kind of?
yeah. The fucking air soffits in the fucking middle of Newport as well.
Oh no.
They're literally just down the road from the hospital.
Oh, he's joking.
Yeah.
Couldn't pick the fucking worst spot then.
I don't know. Is it on Kingsway Car Park?
No, I don't. I've heard of it.
It's literally probably about half a mile down the road from the hospital, right?
Yeah.
So, when we used to go like Subway,
Yeah.
you drive past that and just keep going straight, and you're pretty much there. But it's in a fucking shopping centre.
Huh?
Yeah, so then I go there, I can't get out of the fucking car now and just wander fucking aimlessly over my shit. Cause that looked like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah.
The fuck, it took me 15 minutes to figure out where the fuck it was. I was about to go home, and I just seen the sign, I was like, alright, I found it.
Yeah, I think I would have gone down well to do walk into a shopping centre like that.
Nah, I was like, I sat there a bit thinking, right, I'm here as the door's open, I'm bound to see some other campers coming here. And I just follow them.
Didn't see anyone.
Nah, I was like, fuck, I just seen families. They can't be rocking under this shit now, and it look fucking nuts.
Because they definitely would have phoned the police.
Yeah. Well, the time of year as well, people love a bit of terrorism at this time of year, so we go.
Yeah.
But nah, that's a no-go.
So yeah, we got the rear diff out with the axles and all that assembled. It is awkward on your own. Could ideally need two of you, but as well, I've seen, it can be done with on your own. But yeah, it's as simple as undoing the mustache bar mounts, and then 3 subframe bolts. Simple as that. But yeah, other than that, this heavy it is, and it's quite awkward on your own. But yeah, I forgot to mention, guys, it's also these 2 bolts that gotta be undone as well. But yeah, I'll take you under the car now, show you what we're going to be doing. Mainly a bit of surface rust, nothing major. So we have started a bit of it, so we're going to be taking all this back to bare metal, because I don't like the coating for one. Yeah, so we removed the AYC and the brackets and everything else, because it was leaking slightly, and I got the 3 lights on in a dash, but I have had the pump rebuilt, so I thought, I'm not paying to do it again. I might as well just convert to an RS diff. So that's what we're going to be doing. This side, we had a little bit by here, bit of surface rust. But no, we're going to take this back because it's oxidized, because we haven't touched it. Going to be taking this bracket off to get this back to bare metal, painted. Going to be painting around the bushes. But yeah, this is mainly it. We're going to be, this is the filler neck we will be removing. So yeah, so we got, I might do the gas tank cover, because it is getting a bit rusty up there, so I don't know whether to have it. I'll probably have it powder coated over zinc. I think it'd be easier because everything's going off and it's only the bolts getting zinc plated. So yeah, we got a lot of work, wire wheeling, everything back to bare metal. I have got to take these off, calipers, keep the lines in, nothing wrong with the lines. Yeah. Well, that's about it really, guys. So I'll order some more parts to come in now. I'll show you a little bit of the wire wheeling, because I won't show you much because it's just going to be tedious and boring, and it's going to take me a couple of days to get it back to bare metal. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed another episode of the Evo teardown. But yeah, if you have liked the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Hi guys, forgot to show you how to drain the fluids for the AYC and the rear diff. I was in a bit of a rush. But yeah, if we come over to the car now, we'll undo the cap for the AYC and the diff. And then we'll undo, so as you look at the car, and this be the underneath as you're looking at the car. So you want to undo this fill plug, and then you'll have another one by here on the left side, and then your other one will be by here. So if you undo them 3, and then what you'll undo, you'll have to undo this plug and this plug. That's for the drain, them 2 for the drain. So you undo them when it's fully drained. The AYC is nice and simple. You'll just have lines coming off this one, and then 2 lines coming off this one, if you're going to be like me and converting to an RS diff, and you have it keeping the ACD, you are going to have to keep the one line for the ACD. So the bottom two, you'll just have to put 2 plugs in. This they like fucking probably a tenner. There's nothing major, but yeah, that's all it is. And these 2 lines for the AYC, they'll connect into these two, but it'll come like up and over the subframe. It's a bit awkward, but yeah, if you want to get the axles out, because they'll be like that. You can't just use a pry bar. There's no point getting a puller. So you'll put like a pry bar now in between, maybe like in between here, and then you can lever against this. It'll pop out. So that'll give you this little gap in between here. If you'll just be able to put the bar in there, and it'll pop out, and it'll slide out beyond like a little pin. See, there's a little pin. But yeah, both sides easy enough to come out. That's all. Otherwise, nice and easy. It's nothing major. But yeah. But yeah, that's it.